Man, say goodbye to this rear end. It's gonna be gone soon. Any final words? Man, let's get it. Yo, what's good, squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. Your boy still needs a haircut. Still struggling over here, but it's all good. Hope all of y'all been safe, been enjoying this quarantine. But yeah, it's time to get back and work on these projects. Got the FA5, got the Miata. I think today's just gonna be a little bit of an update, but as you can tell from the title, I got a little something to show you guys, so stay tuned. Let's start working today. The first update for today is gonna be on this car, Project Miata. You guys can already see what's going on. Okay, so I did attempt to install the steering wheel that I picked up for this car. I got the hub over there, but I ran into a few issues during this install. I'll get to that in a second. But the cluster in this car, thanks to Adrian, shout out to Adrian for his help. I was able to remove the cluster, put in some LED lights, so we got LED cluster. Looks super fire. Look at that. It's pretty neat. It's gonna look nice at night while I'm driving the car. The old one was so dull, you can see it right here. But yeah, it's pretty fire. Easy little mod. Okay, so during this install, I learned a few things about this car. So the problem we have right here is if you put this plastic cover on, it looks good. The steering wheel bolts onto this hub perfectly. The only thing is, it's gonna leave a gap right over there. As I was saying, this hub right here is gonna leave a little bit of a gap over here. It's not gonna sit flush. So it's usable, it works, but in the long term, I feel like that gap is gonna bother me. And when you do the hub, you don't want to go back to it, you just want to change it and done. So I ended up ordering another hub. It's gonna fit specifically for this car. It's a Canadian Miata that the steering wheel came with no airbag, so the setup here is just a little bit different. Yeah, that's why it doesn't sit flush. Also, the horn wasn't able to work with this eBay hub. This back piece and the wires, I don't know what it is, kind of cheap, so the horn wasn't able to work. So I'm just gonna change it out and the steering wheel will be on eventually. Yeah, that's what's going on with the Miata. But that cluster though. So let's go take a look at the FA5. Let's go make some moves. Alright, so for this car, let's pop that open. I started making some moves on this. It's time to do the FD2 swap. I got the CSX trunk back from paint. You guys are gonna see in a bit, but yeah, I started working over here, removing the clips. I started off with these pieces which cover this arm right here. So I took out the pin, took out the other side. Basically right now I'm just gonna remove anything that's connected to the trunk. I believe is these two bolts on each side that keeps the trunk together. I'm going to take out the harnesses up here, the cable for the latch, and the trunk should be able to come off. And I'm hoping the CSX one just swaps over easily, and then we just have to wire it up. So we got quite a bit of things to do today. There's not really a tutorial on how to do this, so I'm just trying to figure it out, do the best that I can. But yeah, never in my life I thought I'd be working on two projects at the same time. It's crazy. I mean, it's not the biggest things, but it's kind of cool. That's how life works. But yeah, let's get it. Let's make some moves today. Alright y'all, so we're making some progress. I unconnected the inner taillight wires. Anything that was connected to the trunk, I took them out. This wire is perfectly ready to slide out. Also got out the cable for the latch. So yeah, it's time to say bye-bye to this trunk. I think it's good to go. Gonna start taking it out. So part one complete. Trunk is now off. Time to replace it with the CSX one. Man, I'm gonna miss this though, I can't even lie to y'all. So it's time for this one to go. Wait 1 second, and I'll be right back with a new one. Boom! Look at this ice, man. CSX trunk painted in blue, Dino blue. Super icy. Body shop did a really good job. I think they matched it well. I love the gloss on it. Just neat.
A few moments later.
So just about done swapping the trunk. I still need to put the latch, but here's how it sits. Damn. It's already looking fire. Big difference compared to these taillights, the FA5 ones. The trunk is a little bit lighter, the blue, but on camera you probably can't see it. But it is what it is. It looks good. It's time to finish it up. Alright, so I think I'm gonna call it a night. Made some progress in swapping the CSX rear or FD2 rear. It's already looking good. Stay tuned for the future uploads. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys enjoyed this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.